Hi, this is Vintage Toilets VT, and I'm about to present to you the 1935 Standard Modernus. As you can see, T5 is stamped in the back, meaning that it was produced at the Tiffin, Ohio factory in 1935. This has the long horn and is the original design with a more oval or pear-shaped water spot. Here is the underside of the bowl. You can see that it has the protruding horn. And the date of manufacturing was June 17th, 1935. Made in the USA. Can't say that anymore, can we? And the number appears to be 3250-43. So we'll put this up on the test stand and give it a few flushes. The 1935 Standard Modernus has been mounted on the test stand. Now I'm going to fill the tank and we'll give it its first test flush. And you can see the bowl is starting to fill. I installed this bowl probably about 13 or 14 years ago in the same place where the Compton is now, and the performance of this one was terrible. The jet fanned out and it seemed to shoot the water up too high. Yesterday when I brought this down, I noted that there was a big piece of calcium built up in the jet, so I soaked it in cleaner and got hopefully all of it out. But this will be the real test to see whether this works or not. This, of course, is the rebuilt tank with the Mansfield 09 fill valve and the ductless style valve. The test platform actually has a flange on it and the toilet's bolted to that. And I had to extend the simulated wall to accommodate the height. And I had to push it back a little bit because I wanted this stand to fit right on top of the stones. I still have some leveling. It's not right, but for what we're about to do here, it's not going to matter much. The tank is full, so here goes. Well, you can see that the aim of the jet is not all that great. but this is better than what it was. So I'll let the tank fill again. Now I'm going to do a close-up of the flush. The real test is when we try to flush some leaves in it. I'll do a shot now of the rim jets. Note with the longhorn bowl, there has been no leaking of water at the base. And there's no seal under this. There's no point of putting one on just for a test. This is my simulated toilet paper, or tissue. Wild ginger, beech leaves, another wild ginger, and some hobblebush. We'll put this in and see what happens. So we have our material in the bowl of the 1935 Standard Modernus. And I don't believe that this is the same amount that I put in the Gerber Jefferson last year. I really stuffed that one, and it took it with no problem. But I'm a little wary with this one, so let's see what actually happens. Well, I give it credit, it took it all right. Like the Standard Cadet, I've noticed some variations in the Modernus as well. Some are a little bit faster than others, and some are a little bit slow. But this one did a good job considering its jet the way it is. As you can see, this is everything that the 1935 Modernus dropped down the flange and onto the rocks. There's our full-sized hobbleberry, or hobblebush, and some of the wild ginger, and some of the beech leaves are under there. I'll just get some more for the next test. I hope you've enjoyed my presentation of the 1935 Standard Modernus, and this is Vintage Toilets Vermont, signing off with one last flush. Thank you for watching.